Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make a ruched shoulder line with basque waistline. Ruched shoulder line with basque waistline. You will need your fabric up to 2 yards or more depending on the size of the person that is going to wear it. Tailor's chalk, staple, scissors. Fold your fabric into two. Draft a basic bodice. Extend the shoulder slope by 10 inch and under bust by 6 inches or as you desire. Come down by 10 inches from the shoulder slope and go inward by 1 for the sleeve or as you prefer. Connect the under bust as seen. Mark 4 inches width by 7 inches depth or according to your choice for the neckline. Extend the center waistline by 4 inch or based on your preference and connect to the side waist as seen here. You can extend the under bust by 1.5 inch to achieve an overlapping look. Cut it out. This is the final look. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.